Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Ferrets stink up your house. Most of the time people like the animal but don't bring it home as they considered a smelly creature, but some find no offense to keep them. They are not worried about his musky smell. However, a ferret can smell quite strong and can stink your house. 25 February 2020.
Let's help you make your mark.
They can use a hutch as a sleeping space but will need access to an area where they can exercise. If your ferret will spend a lot of time out of their enclosure, in the house or a large ferret-proofed room, then they can live in a large cage or hutch for the rest of the time.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Ferrets are higher maintenance pets than either cats or dogs, and require an owner who is willing to give a lot of time and attention. They need several hours of supervised exercise and play outside of their cage each day and can be quite mischievous and destructive.
Let's help you make your mark.
Chinchillas, chins, are the cutest pets ever, but they don't necessarily like to play or keep company with their owners, and they don't necessarily enjoy being handled. Therefore, if you want a more interactive pet, you want a ferret. 10 February 2021.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.